Hi, my name is Mark, inventor of the Dirt Locker Hillside Terracing System. Today we're going to show you how versatile the Dirt Locker system is and how you can use it to help save and promote growth of existing plants. In today's example, we've got a plant, it's a mango tree, it was planted on a fairly significant slope, and the plant just really wasn't doing very well. And the reason for that was that the hillside wanted to come down and bury the plant. And that's what hillsides do, that's what gravity does, right? It wants to push everything downhill. And the problem with that for a plant like this is it buried the plant and came up on the stalk and created an environment where it promoted mold, mildew, fungus, and nearly killed this plant. And what we did was we unearthed that, we put the Dirt Locker in and to hold back the back part of that slope, so the slope is no longer coming in to bury that plant. And we've created an environment here that's really going to promote the growth of this plant. So we've got a nice even terrace. We've supported the back so that the hill is no longer sliding down in and covering the plant. And now, after just 2 weeks, we can see that where there was no growth on each one of these branches, and the owner was going to pull this plant out, now we can see there's brand new growth on every single branch in just 2 weeks. This is just an example of how you can use a Dirt Locker to promote a healthier environment on your garden, on your hillside.